If you're looking to build a new website on your own, look no further than Duda. Duda is a great platform to start a website for a small business, for any informational. You could also have a website with a store on it. I just would recommend looking at this if you're looking at other solutions like Squarespace or maybe WordPress Divi, similar to that. I would take a look at this too as an option. We can scroll through here. These are their templates in their template library, and it seems like they have a template for every business. If you scroll down, um, there's one for online education, a magazine blog, and all of these templates you could use for any business and customize to what you want. They are responsive too, so you can go to tablet view, you can look at the mobile view, and all of this is customizable. So I'll preview it here, bring it up on desktop. You'll see these images, all the text, the background colors, everything you can change, which is pretty awesome. And the editor is very intuitive, and it's not too complicated either. I am going to create a video on how to use the editor as well. But I'm going to go to plans here. It's $19 a month, and that's billed annually. Or if you want to pay monthly, it's $25 a month per, like if you have one site. That is the basic plan. You could get a team and have multiple access, and that's a little pricier. And then, of course, if you have the agency, you get 4 sites, white label, same thing. So the price goes up with different plans. I've used the basic, and it's great. $25 a month to host it on there. You can edit it whenever you want. The only thing you have to do aside from that is buy your domain. And what's nice about Duda is whenever you are launching your site, if you're not very tech savvy and you're not into all the DNS codes and everything, that's okay. A lot of times I've used GoDaddy DNS or GoDaddy domain services to launch my sites, and it's super easy. If you have a GoDaddy account and you buy your domain through them, you can actually sign into GoDaddy in your Duda editor when you're ready to launch, and it will automate that process. So it's just super simple. I do recommend looking at this website if you are planning on building a website. See this editor, take a look through. If this is right for you, I do recommend it.